Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is another one from the Disney villain series, and we are doing Gaston from Beauty and the Beast. Mac wants to say hello. He's feeling very needy lately. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you enjoyed this look. It's not very costumey, but you can wear it with a lot of different costumes. So, and in case I forgot to mention, which I probably did, I used the mystery shade from Jeffree Star. I guess enjoy the video. We are ready for Gaston. Now my only dilemma is, do I want blood sugar or do I want Jawbreaker? Let's go with blood sugar. I have been playing in Jawbreaker a lot lately. Okay. I mean, come on. I had to get more perfect than that. All right. So, to start, let's go into cake mix. I'm gonna pop that all in the crease. Ow. I'm gonna go into glucose. And then just kind of dust it over the very top here. And then blend it in to cake mix. I'm gonna go back into cake mix. Perfect. All right, let's go into prick. I'm gonna go straight into the reds. We're gonna pop that in our crease. I'm discovering the more colors I play in, like my comfort zone is reds. All shades of red. Like I'm discovering that is my comfort zone. Okay. Then we're gonna go into a cherry soda. I'm gonna go right over prick with it. Ow! All right, now I'm gonna take a brush like this, and I'm gonna go into fresh meat. And I'm gonna focus, I'm just gonna pat that on my crease, but it's gonna be that like defining, deepening color. You'll notice I'm kind of dragging it onto my lid itself. And then for the outer corner, I'm going to go into extraction. I'm just going to press that on my outer corner. And then I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush and just blend those outer edges. Okay. I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go into, I'm just going to go straight into fresh meat. I'm going to pop that on my lower lash line here. Then I'm going to go into extraction. And then I'll focus that on the outer portion of my lower lash line. All right, I'm going to do my other eye off camera and I will be right back to finish. All right, we are back. So I went ahead and I popped a little glucose on my inner corner just to really like kind of separate that. Now we need gold, so we're gonna go into, I'm gonna go into sweetener, and I'm gonna pop this on the inner portion of my lid. I'm gonna bring it up into my crease. Then I'm going to go into donor. And I'm going to pop that on the center of my lid. And for that added pop, I'm going to go into blood sugar. And I'm going to pop that on the outer part of my lid. And then I'm going to go back into donor and blend donor back into blood sugar. Perfect. I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush. Just make sure there's no harsh lines. Okay. I'm going to finish the rest of my face, throw on some eyeliner, and I'll be right back. And we are back with the finalized look. Very fall-y. So unlike most of the villains, this is not the most costumey look, but I can see how this particular look will go with a lot of Halloween costumes. A lot of them. But I like it. I like it a lot. It's very pretty. Very festive, very fall. Very, very fall. And very comfort zone for me. Maybe that's why I went with this one today. So I could just be 100% in my comfort zone. Who knows? Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell, and also make sure you stay tuned because I still have a lot of villains to go. Ursula, for one. That's gonna be fun. So, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.